Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford Focus horn. We'll start by identifying common issues and where to locate the horn components in your vehicle. Then, we'll walk through basic troubleshooting steps you can perform safely at home, like checking fuses and relays. Finally, you'll learn when it's best to seek professional assistance for more complex electrical problems, ensuring your car is safe. Many horn issues stem from simple electrical problems. First, check the fuse box for a blown horn fuse, typically a 15-amp fuse. Next, inspect the horn relay, which can sometimes fail. The horn button itself might have a faulty connection, preventing the circuit from closing. Lastly, the horn unit could be physically damaged or corroded, especially if exposed to the elements. To pinpoint the problem, start by using a multimeter to test the horn fuse for continuity. If the fuse is good, try swapping the horn relay with another identical working relay from your fuse box. Next, disconnect the horn and test for 12 volts of power at its connector when the horn button is pressed. Finally, check the horn button circuit for proper electrical flow. Once you've identified the issue, replacing a blown fuse or a faulty relay is straightforward. If the horn itself is defective, installing a new one is usually simple. For more complex problems, such as damaged wiring or a faulty clock spring behind the steering wheel, it's often best to consult a qualified mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to safely resolve intricate electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.